So the SAT courses I've been promising for so long are finally here. Well, at least the first course is here. The rest are coming very soon, I promise. The course that is up and running and available right now is called How to Beat the SAT: Tips and Tricks That Work. It is a 10-video, 2-hour, completely 100% free course of tips and tricks for the SAT. It covers things like how to create a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself so you get maximum points, is plugging in answers a good strategy, is guessing okay, and a whole lot more. And when you sign up for this course, you'll also get access to my new Learning Math Together message boards, where you can post your math and SAT questions or just get some encouragement on your math journey. And you'll also get first dibs and discounts on upcoming courses like my comprehensive math and English SAT courses, a factoring mini course I have coming up behind that, and more. So head on over to mathwithalyssa.com to check it out and sign up for free. Yes, free. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it helpful, and I'll see y'all in the next video.